sheets were wet, but I remember, not with regret. Your hand in mine, the world stood still. In every drop, I feel you still. The echoes of your laughter fall like raindrops dancing on the wall. Memories in the rain, falling soft, they call your name. Every storm that passes through brings me closer back to you. Though the winds may hide the pain, I find peace in the rain. We shared an old umbrella shade, hearts young and unafraid. Puddles sparkled at our feet, time was quiet, warm and sweet. Now every rainfall feels like home, even when I walk alone. Memories in the rain, falling soft, they call your name. Every storm that passes through brings me closer back to you. Though the winds may hide the pain, I find peace in the rain. The clouds may weep, the thunder cry, but still I feel you passing by. A whisper through the misty night, you were never out of sight. Memories in the rain, washing all the past again. Footsteps lost, but not in vain.